Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to trade options on Robinhood with a small account, full guide for 2025. If you're just starting out with limited funds, this video is your roadmap to getting started safely and smartly. Let's jump right in. First off, what even are options? Options are contracts that give you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an asset at a set price before a certain date. They're a way to potentially make big returns with less capital, which is perfect for small accounts. But remember, with great potential comes great risk. We'll cover that later. Now, why Robinhood? It's user-friendly, has zero commission trades, and is accessible for beginners. Plus, in 2025, they've rolled out even more tools for options trading, like advanced charts and risk indicators. If you don't have an account yet, download the app, sign up, and link your bank. Make sure to enable options trading. Robinhood will ask you to complete a quick quiz to assess your knowledge and risk tolerance. Once you're set up, here's the step-by-step guide. Start by researching stocks or ETFs you're interested in. Look for ones with good liquidity to avoid high fees. Next, decide between call options, betting on price increases, or put options, betting on decreases. For a small account, say under $1,000, focus on low-cost options like those under $10 per contract. Place your first trade by selecting the option chain in the app, choosing your strike price and expiration date, and hitting buy. Always start small. Maybe invest just 5 to 10% of your account per trade. Use Robinhood's paper trading feature to practice without real money first. Key strategies for small accounts include selling covered calls if you own the stock, or buying spreads to limit losses. Keep an eye on market news and use stop-loss orders to protect yourself. Oh, and don't forget taxes. Options trading can trigger short-term capital gains, so track everything. But here's the big caveat. Options trading is risky. You could lose your entire investment quickly, especially in volatile markets. Only trade what you can afford to lose, and consider consulting a financial advisor. In 2025, regulations might have tightened, so stay updated on Robinhood's policies. There you have it. A full guide to trading options on Robinhood with a small account. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Let's build your trading skills together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.